Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today I will discuss about still life, its arrangement or composition along with some of the examples of still life in pencil and in watercolor. So let's start. What is still life? Still life is a drawing or painting that focuses on still objects. The subject matter is inanimate and never moves, typically with a focus on household objects, flowers, or fruits. The magic of still life painting is that they can show us a new way of looking at the ordinary objects around us. Once they are placed into a specific arrangement and then captured in paint, ink, pastel, or any other medium, the objects take on a whole new meaning. They are imbued with a life beyond the ordinary. Their existence becomes recorded in time. Still life composition. The word composition means the way something is put together. In painting, composition refers more specifically to pictorial structure, including the arrangement of colors and values in an image and the path followed by the movement of the viewer's eye. Here we will learn some basic principles for arranging the composition of a still life drawing or painting. What you will need: assorted objects, board to hold objects, color wheel, drapery, light source, and view catcher. Using a color scheme in selecting subjects. Before combining objects with personal or symbolic meaning, one must first work out on a color scheme to evoke an emotion, then include particular objects to reinforce that meaning. The pictures below show three ways of combining objects using various color schemes, such of which conveys different emotional effects. The first way, with complementary colors. Colors directly opposite each other on the color wheel, for example, red and green. The second way of composition is analogous colors. Colors adjacent to each other on the color wheel, such as yellow and green. Third way, triad. Three hues equidistant from one another on the color wheel, forming a perfect triangle, for instance, violet, orange, and green. High or low eye level. The eye level is one of the most important choices you will make when creating your composition. In images featuring a high eye level above left, the viewer dominates the subject and sees more converging and angled lines. A low eye level above right integrates the viewer with the subject and emphasizes horizontal lines. Movement, unity, rhythm, and focal point. A composition can imply shapes and lines that aren't actually present, and different arrangements of shapes produce different effects. The photo at the left side shows a triangular or pyramidal composition, A triangle is a stable geometric structure and compositions such as these creates a sense of balance. Positioning objects at the corners of the triangle momentarily stops the eye. You can select one object to be your focal point by rendering it more completely than the others. Other approaches emphasize strong vertical, horizontal, diagonal, or S-shaped lines. Repeating these lines sets up a visual rhythm. In the image at the left side, the repetition of the vertical lines and elliptical shapes creates unity and rhythm. Setting up the lighting in a still life. A single source of light, preferably coming from the side, creates a clear pattern of lights and darks that helps define forms and relationships between objects. The cast shadows are also very important in the arrangement as they help create a feeling of depth and three-dimensional space. You can set up near a window and use natural light, but that will change while you paint. An artificial light is more controllable as far as angle and softness and has the great advantage of being invariable. Thumbnail sketches. A thumbnail sketch is a quick drawing that explores the structure and value of a composition. To create a thumbnail of your setup, look at it through a view catcher. Note how the objects relate to one another and how the setup might be cropped. On one sheet of white paper, draw the contours of the object inside a 4 by 5 inch rectangle. Then render the sketch in just 3 values: light, medium, and dark. Now I am showing you some of the still life drawings in pencil as well as a still life paintings in watercolors. Just click the link at the description, download the picture, print it in a A3 size paper, copy the picture in your drawing book, get the painting corrected by your art teacher, and then start pencil shading following the strokes shown in the respective printed picture, or start watercoloring if you want it in color. Please follow the link in the description for step-by-step watercolor. For more information or help, please contact me through my WhatsApp number 951 267 1910. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.